So how to represent the moves in your finite automata based on the transition function, that is delta is q into sigma implies q. Suppose I am taking the example, it is q0, q1 states. We have a transition between them with the symbol a. Let us assume that q0 is the initial state. Now how to represent this diagram in the form of a formula here. So q, what is q here? q0 state. And what is the one more symbol? Input symbol. What is the input symbol? It is going from q0 state. It is the a symbol. So where it is going? It is going to some other state, that is the q1. So it is q and it is sigma symbol and it is going to some other state q1. Now how to represent the delta of your push down automata here? So what is the formula of delta in your push down automata? Q sigma, and we are taking some epsilon also, and we are taking one more symbol, it is the tau symbol, that is the stack symbol. It implies q and tau symbols. Okay, now so we have a three alphabets on the left hand side here, q, sigma and the tau, and the right hand side we have to represent the what is q and what is the tau symbol. Okay, we need to represent this in the form of a move here, like this, q0 comma a equal q1. So like this we need to represent that id in here. So what is id here? It is instantaneous description. id is the instantaneous description. Okay, so normally the move is called as here instantaneous description in the push down automata. Okay, now what are different types of ids here, or moves, ids or moves? What are different types of moves in your push down automata? So what is memory we are using here? We are using the stack memory here. So what are the operations of your stack here? Push and pop here. So we need to represent this push pop operation in the form of a moves here. So let us take one example. I am taking one state and I am taking one input symbol a, and I am taking one stack symbol, default stack symbol. Let us take the default stack symbol z0. It implies what on the right hand side here? What is the right hand side of your id here? Either it is the state, same state q, and we are adding this a to the stack symbol. Suppose the tape consists of input symbol a, and the finite control you have a q0 here, and the stack symbol, default stack symbol z0. This is the initial case of your push down automata. So input tape consists of input symbol a, and q0 is the state here, and z0 is the default stack symbol here. So this is the initial case. A is the input symbol on the tape, and q0 is the state, and z0 is the default stack symbol. So I am taking the state, okay, and input symbol a and stack symbol z0. So what is the right hand side here? I am in the same. Suppose you can push the symbol or pop the symbol from the stack here. Suppose if you want to push the symbol onto the stack here, now how to write the id? So q a z0. So I am in the same state, q state. We need to add this input symbol into the stack symbol. We need to add this a into the stack, like this. Whatever you are reading the symbol from the input tape, so that will be pushed onto your stack here. Now what is the top of the stack now? A. And what are the top two symbols here? A and z0. A followed by the z0. Now previous stack symbol is z0. Top of the stack symbol is z0. Now we are adding the a to the top of the stack a. Now what are the top two symbol here? A followed by the z0. So this is a push id. Okay, now suppose if you want to pop the symbol here, I am taking the same example. Q is the state, input symbol a here, and the top of the stack symbol is z. Now let us assume that it is the example, not the original one. Now q a z naught. So if you want to pop the symbol, I want to go to some other state, q to q1 state here. I am moving from q state to q1 state. And if you want to pop the symbol, means we have to delete the symbol from the stack here. Now what is the case here for the pop symbol? So input symbol is a here, and the state is here q0, and what is the top of the stack symbol here? Z0 only. Okay, so this is the push diagram, or is the pop diagram. So q0 a z0, q a z0. Suppose I want to pop the symbol. I want to pop the symbol. Suppose if you want to pop the symbol and this will be empty now. How to represent that one? With the epsilon symbol. If you want to remove or pop the symbol from the stack, suppose there, assume that it is a is there. Let us assume that suppose a stack consists of a symbol. I want to remove this symbol. If you remove this symbol, this place is empty and that will be represented with the epsilon symbol. What is epsilon here? Null only. So if you want to remove this a symbol and this will be replaced with the empty symbol, that is the epsilon here. If you are removing the symbol from the stack and that symbol is empty, that symbol place is empty, that empty is represented with the symbol null symbol. So pop symbol is epsilon. If you want to pop the symbol from the stack and that will be represented with the epsilon. Now other than push and pop, you are not going to push the symbol or you are not going to pop the symbol from the stack. I want to place the symbols as it is. So in that case, stable case. What is the stable case here? So I am taking the Q is the state, A is the symbol, input symbol, Z0 is the top of the stack. I don't want to push the symbol like this. I don't want to pop the symbol. I want to place the symbol as it is. So state is, I am going to some other state, Q1 state, from Q to Q1 state, and I am placing the top of the stack symbol as it is. What is the top of the stack symbol here? Z0. So place the Z0 as it is here. So if you want to push the symbol, add that input symbol to the top of the stack. If you want to pop, so if you want to push the symbol, add that input symbol to the top of the stack. If you want to pop the symbol from the stack, so the what is the move here? Epsilon move. And if you want to place the symbols as it is on the top of the stack here, so move to some other state when you are reading some A symbol and place the stack symbol as it is. Okay, so this is a stable case. Either you are going to push the symbol or pop the symbol, or you are placing the symbols as it is on the top of the stack. So these are the moves related to the push down automata.